my name is Brianna, and this is Nevaeh. Sit. Get down. Okay, and we are going to be showing you a butter slime video. So, what we're going to be needing is any color Model Magic clay, which I got like this like bright orange peach color kind of. So I'm using 2 bags, and then you will need any kind of glue. I have a small glue because you won't need that much. So let's get started. So what you're going to do is get all of your clay out of your bag. Get all of it out, and you're going to get, if you're using 2, you're going to put both of these together, and watch after like I massage and stuff. Look how it just rips apart. So that will change after you put the last stuff in. So I'll be right back. Okay, so so this is what I'm gonna be using to push it down.
Okay.
But yeah, so this is, you're just gonna keep kneading it, and it's not really messy, so you could do it on any platform except cement or grass. I would advise you to do it either in a bowl or on the table.
Oh my God.
No, but so I'm gonna add a little at a time. And now I'm gonna massage the lotion into the clay. No. Alright. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna keep massaging it. Keep going until you feel no more lotion. See my lotion right there? So you're just gonna keep doing it. Just keep doing it. Just keep massaging, keep massaging. I'm watching a movie at the same time, so. This is the part that you said he's trying to kill her? It's a scary movie. Alright, so I'm going to add a little bit more because it's still a little hard. No. So, add it more, and I'm going to massage it in again. And the reason I'm using so much lotion is because it's so big. So, yeah. Did he kill her? Did he kill him? Did she kill him? Yeah, he will. He just got like knocked out or whatever. So it's getting softer, stretchy. And I can actually put my fingers. Alright, I'm gonna add more. Oh my god. So I added more in this hole and that hole and all right here. So I'm gonna do it again. And it's starting to get like butter slime. So
Hi. Hi. Hi.
They can't see you, Vay. So it's just hard for me right now is because it's so big.
Hi.
No. Like, it's 2 big packs, so just keep doing it.
Hi.
And I'll come back when it is done. So I am back and it is butter slime. So if you use 2 packs, if you want it like really really good, you're gonna have to use 2 bottles of little ones like this. If you want it this like that much. So all the ingredients, the conclusion would be lotion and magic model clay, however much. But if you use 2 bags of this kind, you would have to use 2 bottles of little lotion to make it butter slime. So now I'm gonna spread it to show y'all. So So it's super soft and pretty. So that is butter slime. So hope you like it and give me. Please like. No. Please like it if you enjoyed this video, and I hope I made good. And Model Magic Clay at Michael's is like, how much is it?
What?
How much is Model Magic Clay at Michael's?
Hi.
Huh?
Hi.
$5.
It's $5 for 1 bag, so it's not that much. So yeah. And it works very good. So this is my butter slime. So hope you enjoyed, and bye.